Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A52 and today I would like to show you how you can clone available apps on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down, tap on Advanced Features and scroll down again. Over here you need to select the one with Messenger and tap on the switcher next to Use Separate Contact List to enable or disable this option. When you're done, you need to click on the switcher next to available app, in my case Facebook. Then choose Install and wait. So now when I go back, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!